They were helped by the French in building it. I don't think perhaps it would have got built so well if it had been just the Greeks doing it.
Yeah, oh, that's not a nice thing to say.
It's not, is it?
Hello, allow us to help you build your bridge. Sacre bleu, what are you doing? Ah, la plume de ma tante est sur la table. Don't ever ask that, will you, mate?
In our last episode we spent some time in Messolonghi, around about a week or so in fact. We really liked the place, friendly people, friendly port staff, just all round nice. We had the recurring problem with the head, which is sailor speak for toilet, and spent a pleasant, well no, not really a pleasant day anchored off the channel entrance while I tried to fix it. I sort of fixed it. The problem would come back later, but for the moment it's all okay. I also finally located the cause of the persistent leak from the exhaust water outlet and did a respectable fix on it, although it looks dodgy, but it works a treat. A more permanent fix would have to wait till winter when apples was on the hard. So we headed off for Trizonia in the Gulf of Corinth. On the way, of course, we pass under the Rion-Antirion Bridge, which is, I have to say, quite an impressive piece of modern engineering. The bridge joins the Peloponnese to the mainland at the entrance to the Gulf of Corinth. You could drive around the Gulf, but that would be around 300 kilometres, so the bridge is way easier. It's a little under 3 kilometres long and the overwater part is about 2.2 kilometres. They began building in 1998 and completed in 2004, under the €630 million budget, according to Wikipedia. When you see the bridge, you have to wonder how it could have been completed in such a short time. It really is big. Since the bridge is in an earthquake zone, construction has allowed for earth movements under the structure. There was in fact an earthquake during construction, and there was no damage or injuries, which is quite amazing. There are still ferries running to get vehicles from one side to the other. Costs to cross can be up to €65 for large vehicles. Our motorhome costs $13.50, so you see lots of semi-trailers opting for the cheaper crossing. I don't really blame them. If you have the time and cross regularly, that would really add up. Here are some of the ferries still operating. Always entertaining watching the locals embarking and disembarking from the ferries. Not at all like you see them at Calais. When you think about it, the whole country is knitted together by ferries, so it's probably no surprise that they're still used here.
Yep.
And now for today's lucky dip. Sorry it's a bit dark. I'm not used to doing photos with all the glare from snow. Anyway, here's a picture of Sandra and I at Whistler, British Columbia, about 10 years ago. We loved it there, but it really was cold.
You're going to be pointing that camera at me.
Would I point a camera at you?
Yes, you will.
Well, I have important news for all you Kiwis out there. If you've ever wondered whatever happened to your Crispies, they're being made here in Greece now. Look at this. See? Crispies.
Sur la table de mon oncle. How you left the last bit out.
Oh, I'm sorry. Je suis désolé.
No, you're not. Anyway, I shouldn't have said that.
Well, that's definitely a cut and a print.
But
Poor Greeks. They work hard, they try hard, they do.
They do. And then somebody else comes along and tells them to do it the other way.
Mm.